That definitely makes a difference, y'all. I would say I am impressed with this mascara, and y'all know that's hard to do. It's hard to impress me with mascara. Now, I do have a few lashes that are growing down, and they have been for years now, and I don't know what caused that. I do not believe it's eyelash curlers. If anything, I don't know what I'd do without the eyelash curlers, so I'm going to go back over this one more time, and then I'm going to let it dry just a little and give it a second coat, y'all. I feel like, first of all, this is wet enough that it is really picking up every lash, but it's not so wet that it's making a mess. So, I got to tell y'all, I'm really liking this. And this is Beauty Counter. Now, the more I go through and separate the lashes, the worse it's getting. I should have left it alone. I'm going to tip it out again. I think that was actually better, leaving it alone like that. But I like to separate them, which to a point that's good, but when you separate them too much, then when a product brings lashes together so they look fuller, you're kind of destroying that effect if you keep going and separating every single little one. Okay, I do like it. I would not say that it lengthened like the picture shows, where it adds like double the length of your lashes. And I think the way that they do that is they pick somebody who already has that length of lashes, and they kind of powder their lashes so that you don't see their tip ends, and then when you put a good gel mascara, which that is a good job for your, good idea for your lashes, when you put that on, it really highlights them, especially if you tip out the ends, you see all the way to the end. So mine are bent down, so I'm going to bend them straight up, make sure I got them all. The other thing I would say about this is I can tell it started out great when it was dry and I put wet on, but as it's drying, it's not waterproof and I'm losing it. I'm losing the effect. So if it's not waterproof, they won't stay up. Alright, and now I'm going to let it out a little and curl it back towards the socket. So instead of just being an L shape, like that, when you bend it, you actually are also curling it backward by letting a little out and actually raising your elbow and putting this back towards the socket, not just straight up. Just gives a little bit more of a, Alright, I'm going to swirl it around a little in there more. Try to get more mascara on it. And let's tip it out and let you see a little closer. Get the tip ends real good, just windshield wiper motion, but squint so that it doesn't hit your lid. Okay, and we are going to go straight from the root. Get that end real good. See, how does it do? See, at first it's straight up. That's because I just got through curling it, but as the curl kind of wanes, it's going to wane because it's not waterproof. It's not sticky enough, or have enough alcohol or wax or whatever it is that makes mascara really hang in there. No matter how much I curl those or bend those or crimp them, these just go straight down. I don't know what is going on with my lashes, y'all. Doing it really slow on purpose. The reason I'm doing it really slow is because when you go really slow, you're actually kind of pointing them. Now, I gotta say, for a lower lash, look how that just really made my lashes show up. I have very thin lashes. I don't have a lot of them. And the shafts themselves are very thin. So it takes multiple coats of mascara for me. Also seeing lots of little doggy hairs. It is picking up, whatever. Because that's not, it's definitely, it's not fiber. It's my dog hairs. Or actually that's not dog hair. It kind of just looked like, what's the word? Fuzzies. Alright, so now we're going to do one more time over where we just were and see if that really volumizes to do 2 coats. It should. And again, I'm going to just kind of go really slow, which kind of bends them backwards. It does definitely help. I wonder if it'll stay. Because what you're doing is just adding mascara on mascara. And when you do that, it does build volume, but it's not your lashes. You aren't getting more follicles with the lash coming out, but you are building up the thickness of the lash because you're building up the thickness of the product. So that's how it makes it look that way. It's just, it builds well. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I did that. Do y'all see that? So this is why you keep these cotton buds handy and just roll it. Alright. Got it right off. And then if you want to get right next to the lash, use the other end. God, it's so dry under my eyes. The fact that I used that, foundation under my eyes was a very bad idea, y'all. Okay, so I'm building volume on these lower lashes, including the inner ones. That's the hardest ones. You gotta just really squint, and that should lift them up okay. Here. And that's what it looks like with 2 coats. And that's 1 coat. What do y'all think? Do y'all like it? I'll be honest, I probably won't buy this again. I feel like I could do the same with any other mascara from the drugstore. And, you know, Maybelline has, CoverGirl and L'Oreal all have fantastic mascara products, which we've gone through before. I have mascara review on here, so if you are interested, but I am going to go ahead. This may cut out before I get through, but I'm going to go ahead and redo this side too and just see how this does with 2 coats, both sides. Obviously it's going to look better than not, than to not. And again, I'm doing it really slow and kind of bending them back to kind of get that shape back in there, even though it's just not holding that bent back shape. That, you know, just really stands up your lashes and makes them look more lengthy. It's just because they're bent upward. And I am going to go ahead and hit these lower lashes down here again. And I gotta say, if you have lashes, it's definitely going to capture them, because it's getting my lower lashes better than it's getting my upper lashes, y'all. Don't feel like I see fibers. It just may be that the gel is almost like magnetic. But it's got a really good hard brush. It's a comb brush, so it's combing it back out so it doesn't look too clumpy. If that makes sense. Like overly clumpy. There, that looks really good. Do you see? Now it's 2 coats. What do y'all think? Do you like it? Comment below if you like the look. I feel like that's enough. I'm not going to do 3 coats. It's a decent mascara. It's just, it's an, I will link it so you can look at it and all of the claims about it, but I don't, it's very pretty packaging. It's a good formula for being non-waterproof, and it's a good comb. But for me, if I really want something to stay on good, this reminds me of Thrive Cosmetics, which is similar. It's got a hard comb. It's got a good formula. It gets every lash. If I do 2, it looks really great. Comes off easy. We'll see how this comes off. But it's not waterproof. Neither one of those are waterproof. So when it's not waterproof, you have an issue. Okay? Anyway, the other thing I was going to show y'all, I have no idea how close we are on this. Let me look with my glasses at my timer on the screen. Okay, I've got like 1 minute. So the one thing I was going to show you is you can just use the butt side, the little small end side of your blush brush, and hit that little pink in here and use it as, just smile and dot it out like that. And you can use this as a face palette because it does have a pink in it, and you can make it blush. Just dot it on like that and go up on the nose, on the chin. Maybe a little bit there, a little bit there. It's enough. It's enough. What do y'all think? Anyway, that's it. That's my look for today. I'm noticing my gray real big time, so I know y'all probably are too. And just know that I'm aware and that I am going to do something about it when I feel like it. Y'all, I feel like this is actually a really pretty blush because it's almost like a purple blush, and I need that because I am very pale. So this works really good. I like it. And I don't even need contour because of it. So, it works. Works for me. Does it work for you? I think it is flashing now. Or did it? I think it did. Anyway, actually 12 and 12 is 24 and that's 23 something. So, maybe you're still seeing me and it's a pleasure for you. Anyway, that's it. Be sure and go over to my other channel, Pure Bible. We're having a prayer chain now. And you just look at the bottom of the video and you put, as comments, you put prayer requests in the comments. And then the next video I post, we pray for that one. And then I upload that one. And then in that video, you put the comments in there and we pray the next day. So every day, whatever comments and prayer requests that people, or praises that people are putting in the comments, that is how we're praying for each other. And that's Beth Buchanan Pure Bible, just like this is Beth Buchanan Bible, Beauty, Fashion, and Fun. So I hope y'all enjoy it. I love you guys. I appreciate your support. Please tell other people about it. And I'm fixing to come up with, I couldn't do our fall back to school giveaway, so I'm just going to make an awesome fall giveaway. And it's going to be Bibles, it's going to be devotionals, it's going to be makeup, and maybe candles. I don't know, but you'll love it. And I love y'all. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!